Well, right now we will just finish off with Conipay EU, and then we'll get back to you.
Okay.
Next presentation, I will be sharing yours. Do we have Connie?
It's mine. It's mine.
Yuling Huang?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Please. Continue. You can see the screen right now. Everyone can see the screen. The presentation.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm Pauline
Yes.
Huang. I will speak.
Okay. Yeah, you can just say next slide, so I can whenever you say, I will be share going to the next slide. Okay. Thank you. Please, the stage is yours. Please continue, Yuling.
So now I can start.
Yes.
Thank you. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pauline Huang. Today I will show my paper. Oh, what happened?
Yeah, we can see the presentation. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. My topic is predicting stress using a novel scoring car method with
psychological questions.
Thank you. My name is Pauline Huang. Next page. Thank you. Okay. It's widely used for psychological testing by questionnaires, such as GHQ-12 and mental health questionnaire. About the questionnaire are used for stress testing, such as medical student stressor questionnaire and PSS and COPSO-Q. Machine learning is currently used in stress testing. For example, the physical question item related to developer of pain after breast cancer surgery are selected by machine learning approach. Another machine learning method, an efficient algorithm, pre-stress. The use IBCGA was used selecting significant 5 features which could discriminate two cases, psychological stress or non-psychological stress. A short questionnaire from the stress questionnaire using 5 questions can classify, to classify. The data set in this study, the data set creating a sample of 520 adult men and women from CPTP from Korea. Response to stress scale of 90 questions. This study response in novel methodological approach to estimate the propensity score of 90 questions.
The predictions of psychological stress.
In this study, we proposed a novel scoring car method, SCM, by using question composition only to estimate stressful score from questionnaires to discriminate the two classes of psychological stress and psychological stress-free. Achieved good performance of predicting psychological stress with 100 training accuracy and 100% the test accuracy. The data set characteristic and 4 levels of stress. 82 adults not stressful. Consider level A, and 87 adults stressful. About level C and level D are investigate to develop the SCM-based method for predicting of psychological stress. The selecting number of 70 psychological stress and the number of non-psychological stress contained in the training data set and the test data set. Okay, now is our flowchart. Firstly, come from CPDP, select the people has the SWT class and separate the training and test. We're using the training data set to be initial stress scoring of questions, only using statistical approach. And next step, using the IBCGA to optimize the initial scoring of questions. Like for the IGA, we need a chromosome representation, fitness function design, and in a fitness function, the classification method based on SCM algorithm. After optimize, we got the 80 and 90 propensity score. Using the propensity score, we can simply and easy to predicting psychological stress and analyze the psychological questions. This is our flowchart. Okay, for the scoring car method is successful applying on several topics such as publish from 2+1 and bioinformatics. SCM used question composition only as a feature. The input a set of classified physical chemical stress and non-physical psychological stress. The output is an initial SCM questions. Finally, using IGA to optimize an optimal scoring car. Okay. From the training set, both positive and negative data set are prepared as input, and to be an initial scorecard with 90 propensity score of questions is generalized using a statistical method. The scoring card refined using a global optimization method. The binary SCM classified with a simple threshold value is stated. For example, the binary the input is a questionnaire, and compare the composition score. Easy to calculate the final score. If the score small length ratio to be the stress, if the score bigger than threshold to be stress-free. Okay, from the initial scoring card, there are two objectives for designing SCM-STR using IGA. The fitness function of IGA is to maximize the predicting accuracy in the term of the error under the ROC curve, AUC. And the fitness function as follow: maxima the AUC. In the chromosome representation, the 90 relative value available within the range -100 and 100 are encoding into chromosome of IGA. The IGA procedure. The firstly, like many genetic algorithms, the firstly initialization, and then evaluation, selection, crossover. IBCG, especially in crossover part, we propose a intelligent crossover schema. Finally, mutation and terminal. IGA is also known experimental design, including divide and conquer stretch, is a systematic reasonable method. It efficiently solves the combinational optimization problem. Having a huge search space of size, it's a bio-objective 0 and 1 combinational optimization problem. Objective is maximizing prediction accuracy, and finally determine a threshold value. Okay, next page. The procedure of SCM-STR. Adapt a training data set about the code PYSTRN. The step 2, generate an initial scoring card. Step 1, calculate the question composition of positive and negative. And step 2, obtain the propensity score of each initial question. Finally, normalize the score of all questions into the range -100 and 100. Final step 3, optimize the scoring card of question, which consists of 90 scores by using an IGA to predict a person P based on the scoring function. It means a weighted sum score. Next page. Next page. Firstly, we perform evaluation by typical prediction method. There are 7 classified. We can see the performance very high, such as SVM and random forest and the logistic region, the training accuracy, the training performance are achieved 100%. It's for training. The next page is for testing. We can see the test result very high, almost 100%. So our next page, our system performance evaluation, like table 5. We also checked training and test accuracy to be 100%, and the system will outcome the threshold value is minus 113. The most important is our question scoring card. We can see from the heat map of the 90 questions. The low score is mean to be stress. The high score is mean stress free. So we also can interpretable the question mean from the propensity score. We will show the next page. Yes, the high score is mean stress free, such as 88 score. Thinking a positive way, it means the person is stress free. So we can easily understand the meaning from the ranking of the score rather than only questionnaire. About the 6 button rank questions with the score, you can see feeling depressed and having a feeling of being cashed. It means very sad, close to depression person. So our propensity score is easy to understand why the question to be stress-free or stress. So finally, discussion. The classification method is very simple and the prediction result is easy interpretable. The question 84 with the third highest score is thinking a positive way, which is clear that it's a stress-free situation. The proposed method, SCM-STR, achieved 100% test accuracy. The advantage of the SCM method, SCM adapts a weighted sum of composition and the propensity score of questions. The propensity score of questions can be used to 0. Provide information about the global propensity of general questionnaire. The SCM is a general purpose method of identifying persons with psychological stress. Thank you, everyone, for your attention. Thank you.